This is Chicks in the Kitch, and
This is kitchen sink pad thai noodles featuring Saratoga Peanut Butter Company's Slow Burner. So first I'm going to take the tofu and I'm going to pat it nice and dry. Then I'm going to chop it up into little cubes. After that, we're going to put it back into the Tupperware.
I added a little sesame oil, a little soy sauce, some minced ginger, salt, and pepper. Then I shook it up, got it frying in some grapeseed oil.
Give the tofu a nice little shake so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan.
Next, I got my zucchini and I chopped it up also, took some Brussels sprouts and sliced them nice and thin. And then I use, this is a really awesome oyster mushroom, super delicious. So first I fry those up without any oil or anything. Flip those tofu around, and now we're gonna get our pasta going. Pasta goes right into the pot. Get the zucchini in with the mushrooms, add the zucchini and the mushrooms to the tofu, then add your Brussels sprouts, then some cashews.
And now we're gonna add the Saratoga Peanut Butter Slow Burner.
Add a little hot water there too. And then after that,
Give it a good stir. And now I'm gonna use the shallot, chop it up nice and fine, and then add it directly in. I did put all the veggies in before I chopped up the shallot, so sorry that I missed that step. And there you have it, a delicious take on pad thai noodles made right at home from the leftovers in our fridge.